Hi guys, it's Tony. Today we're bringing another description. Today's Tesco wheat biscuits, malty and crispy, made with 100% British whole grain. So that's what's on the back. Assured food standards wheat. You can check the back of that out by just pausing the video. So in this we get 24. I'm just going to have two for my supper really, because you know when you get peckish this time of the day. That's what they look like close up. It's all like trying to compete with Weetabix, isn't it? Because that's today I'm using moo milk. This is UHT. I'll put some in there. So, right, so we're going to try some of that. Straight up. Now, I'm not a great fan of Weetabix, to be honest with you. These were given to me, so these Weetabix are complete malt suckers. Right, so, but yeah, that tastes real good. I don't really rate Weetabix, but, well, not Weetabix, wheat biscuits. Well, yeah. Would I say buy them? If they were on offer, yeah, but apart from that, I'm not into it. I wouldn't buy them again, but I thought I'd show you the product, see what you think. They taste wheaty, but they're bland. There's no real taste to them. I don't know. I mean, the original Weetabix, of course, is the best, but you know, you get stuff like this that comes in. They try, you know, but yeah, 5 out of 10. Tastes all right, but yeah, I think I'll pass on that one. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll catch you next one. If you haven't subscribed, bang that subscribe button, leave a like, helps me out. Bye for now.